Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, is often described as the jewel of the solar system for its breathtaking ring system and stunning golden hues. In this video, we'll explore the wonders of Saturn, from its iconic rings and atmospheric mysteries to its captivating moons. For students of astronomy, Saturn represents a fascinating case study in planetary science, and its beauty and complexity make it a standout in our solar neighborhood. Saturn is a gas giant, like its neighbor Jupiter, and is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. What makes Saturn unique, however, is its low density, so low that it would float if placed in a giant enough body of water. This property speaks to its composition and structure, with a small, dense core surrounded by layers of metallic hydrogen, liquid hydrogen, and gaseous hydrogen. Saturn's rapid rotation, completing a day in just 10.7 hours, causes it to bulge at the equator and flatten at the poles, giving it an oblate shape. The rings of Saturn are arguably its most famous feature, and they are nothing short of spectacular. These rings are made up of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains to massive chunks. Stretching over 170,000 miles in diameter but only about 30 feet thick, the rings are divided into several main groups, labeled A through G, with distinct gaps such as the Cassini division, a dark region that separates the A and B rings. Scientists believe the rings could be remnants of comets, asteroids, or even moons that were shattered by Saturn's gravity. Despite their grandeur, the rings are not permanent and may eventually dissipate over millions of years. Saturn's atmosphere is a complex and dynamic system, characterized by thick bands of clouds, fierce storms, and high winds that can reach speeds of over 1,000 miles per hour. The planet's upper atmosphere is divided into layers of ammonia, ammonium hydrosulfide, and water clouds, each contributing to its pale yellow appearance. One of Saturn's most intriguing weather phenomena is the hexagon-shaped storm at its north pole, a massive jet stream with perfectly geometric boundaries that remains a mystery to scientists. Beyond Saturn itself, its moons are an astronomical treasure trove. Saturn boasts at least 83 confirmed moons, with Titan and Enceladus stealing the spotlight. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is the second largest moon in the solar system and has a thick nitrogen-rich atmosphere. It's the only moon known to have rivers, lakes, and seas of liquid hydrocarbons like methane and ethane, making it a focus of astrobiology studies. NASA's upcoming Dragonfly mission aims to explore Titan's surface, searching for chemical clues that could reveal the precursors to life. Enceladus, on the other hand, is a smaller moon but just as fascinating. Its icy surface is marked by geysers that spew water vapor and organic compounds into space. These geysers originate from a subsurface ocean beneath the moon's crust, making Enceladus one of the most promising places in the solar system to search for extraterrestrial life. Data from the Cassini mission even suggests that hydrothermal vents may exist on the ocean floor, similar to those on Earth that harbor rich ecosystems. Saturn's gravitational influence extends far beyond its rings and moons. Its immense mass plays a critical role in shaping the orbits of nearby objects, including its moons and even the asteroid belt. This gravitational pull also allows Saturn to shepherd its rings, maintaining their structure over time through interactions with its moons. Some of these moons, called shepherd moons, like Prometheus and Pandora, directly influence the edges of the rings, creating gaps and waves that we can observe with telescopes. Saturn has been studied extensively by robotic spacecraft, most notably the Cassini-Huygens mission, a joint effort by NASA, the European Space Agency ESA, and the Italian Space Agency. Launched in 1997, Cassini spent 13 years orbiting Saturn, delivering unprecedented data about the planet, its rings, and its moons. In 2005, the Huygens probe landed on Titan, marking humanity's first landing on a moon in the outer solar system. These missions have deepened our understanding of Saturn and laid the groundwork for future exploration. For students of astronomy, Saturn offers an excellent example of planetary diversity and complexity. It challenges us to think about how planets form and evolve, how moons and rings interact, and what conditions might be necessary for life to exist. Observing Saturn through a telescope is a breathtaking experience. Its rings and golden glow are visible even with small instruments, reminding us of the beauty and scale of the cosmos. In a broader sense, Saturn teaches us about the processes that shape our solar system. Its rings, moons, and atmosphere are interconnected, offering insights into gravity, fluid dynamics, and even the possibility of life. The study of Saturn is not just about understanding a single planet, but about piecing together the story of our celestial neighborhood and how it came to be. Saturn continues to captivate scientists and stargazers alike. Whether you're drawn to its dazzling rings, intrigued by its alien moons, or inspired by the mysteries it holds, Saturn is a reminder of the wonder that lies beyond our earthly skies. Let's keep exploring, learning, and dreaming about what awaits in the vastness of space.